The ADDIE model is a framework for instructional design that helps create effective training program. The ADDIE model is an acronym for the 5-step in the instructional design process: analysis, design, develop, implement, and evaluate. A ADDIE model is a strategic plan for courses design that can be used to create IL assignment and other instructional activity. It used in many places including classroom, college lecture, and corporate offices. The ADDIE model is a proven method for design effective training program that help learning achieve specific learning objective. It also a flexible guideline that provide feedback for continuous improvement. And we have analysis. Analysis is the first frame where the foundation for the learning program or instructional design is established. It involves identifying and understanding key factors to ensure that success of the learning instructional solution. Instructional goal. An instructional goal is a broad statement that describes the overall purpose of an outcome of a learning program. It provides direction and focuses on the desired result of the training, but it's not specific or measurable. Instructional goals serve as a foundation for more specific learning objective and guide that entire instructional design process. For example, increase employee efficiency in using the new software. And in analysis, we have instructional analysis. What is instructional analysis? Instructional analysis refers to breaking down the abroad instructionally goal into a specific smaller component. It involves identifying the necessary skills, knowledge, or behavior required to achieve the instructional goal. Instructional analysis helps to clarify the content that tasks need to be and it provides an instructional framework for organize the curriculum. Example, for the goal of increasing employee efficiency is using new software. Instructional analysis might break this down into tasks such as learning basic software, navigation, understanding key feature of the software like that, diba? Learning analysis, and we have learning analysis. Learning analysis focuses in understanding the characteristic and need of a learning this involved. Learning analysis that learn current knowledge, skills, attitude, and experience. And last one, we have learning objective. Learning objective are specific measurable statements that define that the learning should be able to after completing a lesson of a course. They are derived for a broader instructional goal and instructional analysis, learning objective and actionable, precise, and measurable, which help in a both guideline, the instruction, and evaluating its effectiveness. And in ADDIE, we have design. What is design? It focuses on the planning and structuring the learning experience based on the information gathering during the analysis. The design phase is critical because it translates the finding from the analysis into the clear plan for creating the instructional program. The goal is to define the details of the courses of training program before development begin.
The development phase. In the development phase of ADDIE, you create and finalize the learning materials, such as video slides and handouts. You test, improve, and prepare everything to ensure it's ready for use in the next phase. These are the example of development phase. Number 1 is creating materials, designing PowerPoint slide for a workshop. And number 2, prototyping, building a small quiz to test learner understand. Number 3, enhancing learning, adding animation to a presentation. Number 4, testing and feedback. running a trial of an interactive activity with a small group. And next one is the implementation phase. In the implementation phase of ADDIE, you deliver the training, prepare instruction to set up the learning environment, support learning, and ensure everything runs smoothly for effective learning. These are the example of implementation phase. Number 1 is delivering training, conducting a workshop for employees on new workplace. Number 2, preparing instructors, training teachers on how to use new lesson plans or technology. Number 3, setting up, testing on online learning platforms before learners log in. Number 4, supporting learners, helping participants troubleshoot login issue for an e-learners module. And last part, the evaluation phase. The evaluation phase is about measuring the success of the training program and determine if it's met its goal. This phase ensures that the learner's objectives were achieved and identifies areas for improvement. Number 1 is formative. Happens during each phase of the ADDIE process to improve materials before implement. Example, testing a draft module with a small group and making adjustment based on feedback. Number 2 is summative. Happen after the training is complete to assess overall effectiveness. Example, analyzing test scores or conducting survey to measure learner satisfaction and knowledge gain. Thank you.